Hey, this is why I went into medicine.
You know, you should call Matthew Nelson. He's a wonderful handyman.
I'm sorry, I don't have anything to offer you. It's, well, it's a mess.
You know, I just came by to welcome you to the neighborhood. Bell Book and Candle is my shop.
Oh, seems we're neighbors yet again. Oh, great, my first patient. Okay, come on, get out, out.
Here, let me try. Oh, no, you're scaring him.
Well, what do you want me to do, give him an appointment?
Put the broom down for a second. Let him perch for a moment.
Come on. How'd you do that?
Oh, I didn't do anything. He just needed a little direction. We all do at one time or another, don't you think?
Yeah, I do. And I should probably call it handyman. I'm great with a scalpel.